Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make stuffed eggplant with ricotta and sunflower seeds. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a stuffed eggplant. We are going to be using, let me get the ingredients here for you with the recipe. We've got one medium-sized eggplant, half a cup of ricotta cheese, half a cup of sunflower seeds, quarter cup blend of whatever blend of herbs you want to use, 1 clove of garlic that we've minced up, salt and pepper, olive oil that we're going to be used for drizzling it. Alright, you will find the recipe link for this down in the description box. That link will take you right to my website, it's onlyfood.biz, where you're going to find a ton of other recipes. Hope you give it a try, check it out. So the first thing we want to do is we want to start with our eggplant. I'm just going to cut off both ends there. And then what we're going to do, cut it in half, lengthwise. Then we got a good solid foundation. We are just going to cut it about 1/4 inch thick down the sides. Do the same thing with the other half. Not going to use those rounded edges. I'm going to do something else with that later. And I'm going to pour the oil kind of right down the middle there. Then I'm just going to set the eggplant like that, so it's oiled up on one side. And I'm just going to take the eggplant like this, of course, olive oil. Just so you get a little bit, let me take our you get a little bit of the oil on there just to let it keep from sticking, and also helps it cook. Salt and pepper on one side. Then I'm going to throw these in the oven, preheated oven for 400 degrees for about 10-15 minutes until they soften up. Alright, while those are in the oven, we're going to take our cheese. Let me get a spatula. Get a bowl bigger than what you need because you're going to have all your ingredients in it. You want to get a good sized bowl so you can mix your ricotta cheese, salt and pepper, fresh garlic, your herbs. I'm going to put half the sunflower seeds in here because I'm going to use the other half to garnish. What you don't want to do is you just want to stir this up really well, get everything incorporated. All we're waiting for now is for the eggplant to finish cooking, and we're going to let it cool off, and then we're going to start rolling it up. Alright, I've got the eggplant has come out. It is soft. Hopefully I didn't cook it too much here, but I'm just going to take about a tablespoon of the filling, put it on one end down here, and I'm just going to gently roll the eggplant with the stuffing filling in it and lay it seam side down on our plate. Repeat again. We're just gently going to roll it onto the plate. Now just for this, I'm just going to do rules of 3. It's a chef thing. I'm just going to put 3 on this plate. But you've got plenty here to make more than 4 if you wish to do so. But I'm just going to make 3 for presentation purposes. Take my gloves off. Let's wipe our counter off. Get that in the shot. And I got some balsamic that I'm just going to put on there. red onion, fresh parsley. And those sunflower seeds that we saved earlier. I'm just gonna throw those on there as well. This makes a nice hors d'oeuvre. I'm gonna take some photos of this for your enjoyment. We're gonna throw some music in there for you to listen to while you're looking at those beautiful pictures, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna give it a try. Don't go away. All right, well, these smell fantastic. They look fantastic. I like the way it's plated. The only thing I hate is trying to take pictures of stuff that's on a long plate. It's always been weird to me. There's our plate with the shot on the camera there. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't know how to even try to eat these, but I'm gonna go ahead and use a steak knife and a fork, and we're gonna figure it out. This would be like an hors d'oeuvre, maybe, but cut it in half. Wow. Smooth creaminess of that cheese. You got the crunch of the sunflower seeds. A little bit of that garlic in there. The eggplant makes a nice envelope for it all. It's not too mushy. A lot of people are turned off by the mushiness of an eggplant when it's cooked. But just look at the inside of that. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Is there a bite? That balsamic is a nice touch too. Yeah. Alright, like I stated earlier in the video, we do have a website. It's onlyfood.biz. You will find a ton of recipes on that website, where you will also find my seasoning shop, which has my handmade gourmet seasonings that I've come up with. Got about 20 of them on there, but don't forget to check that out. It's onlyfood.biz. It's onlyfood.biz. It's onlyfood.biz. Stuffed eggplant with ricotta cheese and sunflower seeds.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen.